Hello my friends and welcome back. I'm Mohsen and you are watching to the new video of the MKR developer channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use tab view, just like this. Here I have a tab view and here I have a view pager containing 3 fragments, and when I'm clicking on each tab, the specific fragment will be open. And also by sweeping the pages, I can go from one fragment to another fragment. Let's create it together. First of all, let me briefly explain you what we are going. Here we have a tab view and here we have a view pager, and we have created 3 fragments to store them in this view pager. The view pager will change the views based on our request by sweeping, and will hold the fragments for us, the view of the fragments, let's say. The view pager can work individually without the tab view. So the main purpose is to build this view pager and store the fragments view inside this view pager, and then we will connect this tab view to this view pager to control the view pager. Let's do it. Here in the main activity, I don't need this text view. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to split the page. Okay, here first of all, on the top I need this tab view, so this one, com.google android material tabs dot tab layout, and the width, match parent, and the height, wrap content. Okay, now let's connect it to the constraint, the top, to the right, and to the left. That's enough, and we need ID for it. And then here I will add some more items, but now if I run it on the emulator, we cannot see anything. So later when we connect it to the app, we will come back here to this XML and we will do some changes here. So now I need the view pager, the second version I'm using, and match parent, and 0dp. Okay, here I have the view pager connecting to the bottom, to the right, and to the left. 0. And that's it. This is the view pager and this is the tab view. Okay, we are done here. Let's go to the project, to the app, to the Java, and here we need 3 fragments. I'm going to create these fragments and do a little bit changes in the layout, and then I will explain the rest for you. Okay, in the main activity XML file, I need an ID for this view pager as well. So view pager, and that's it. Okay, now again here into the main package Kotlin, I need a class as the adapter of the view pager. Oh, sorry. Okay, here I have to pass some items. So first I need a list, or maybe I can write a fragment list, which will be array list of the fragments. Then I need a fragment manager. I'm going to call it FM, and this type of fragment manager. Sorry, here I need a colon. And here life cycle. Of the type of life cycle. Okay, and then this class is extend of fragment state manager. Sorry, state adapter. Okay, and here I'm going to pass the FM and the life cycle. Yeah. Then clicking here on the bulb and implement members, both of them, and like this. Get item count will be return the fragment list dot size. Okay, and here I'm going to pass this fragment list, and I'm going to pass the position into it. Okay, we are all done here, and let's go to the main activity. Okay, I'm going to use view binding for this, and if you don't know how to use view binding, you can click on this link and watch the video about the view binding, and then come back here in the build.app. Here I'm going to add okay, done. And in the main activity, let me zoom a bit for you. Here I need latent variable binding equals to activity main binding, and here binding equals to activity main binding dot inflate and layout inflator, and here binding dot root. Okay, binding dot apply, and now we can write the codes for our variables here. So first of all, let's start with the Viewpager. So Viewpager dot adapter equals to Viewpager adapter, and here I have to pass list of the fragments. So I have to create this list. Variable, I'm going to call it fragments list, and equals to array list of the fragments. So here first fragment, second fragment, and third fragment. And now here I'm going to pass this fragment list, and then the fragment manager that we had here, this one, the fragment manager will be the activity. So this main activity and dot support fragment manager, and then the life cycle. That's it for the adapter. And the adapter is now set on the Viewpager. So if we check the application, as I told you, the Viewpager individually will work and doesn't need any tab view. Okay, fragment 1, fragment 2, and fragment 3. So it's empty here. So why we need this tab view? The tab view is the indicator of the fragments. Will show in which fragment we are, and also is like a controller for the fragments. So when we are clicking on the buttons of the tab view, we will be going to the specific fragment. So let's write the codes for the tab view now. We need a function tab layout mediator, and here I have to pass this tab layout, tab view, any ID that you have set for the tab view. So, and then the Viewpager. Then we have a function here, and here tab and the position. We need this too. Then lambda. Okay. When position is we have three cases here because we have three fragments. So when the position is 0, and when the position is 1, and when the position is 2. So the number of the fragments will start with number 0, 1, and 2. And then here I'm going to write tab dot text equals to anything you want. So I can here write fragment 1. And then if you want to set an icon for your fragment, you should mention it here. So let me add only a single icon just to show you. Here in the resource manager plus vector asset, and here home, maybe two-tone, and IC short for icon, next, and finish. Now I have this icon here, so I'm going to call it here tab.icon equals to context compat dot get drawbell, and here the context, this activity, and r dot drawbell dot ic home, and that's it. For the second one here, tab dot text equals to fragment the second, or maybe you can take the position here and write $sign position, and automatically the number of the fragments will be here. And for the last one, tab dot text equals to fragment 3, and I think everything is okay. Let's check it on the emulator. Oh, I forgot something here. At the end of this tab layout mediator, here I have to write dot attach to attach it to the view pager. So again, let's reinstall it. Yeah, here we have the first fragment with the icon, and position was last one. As I told you, it will start with number 0, 1, and 2. So position plus 1, and here we have the fragment number 1, fragment number 2, and fragment number 3. Okay, I told you we will customize this tab view later, so let's go to the main activity XML file and do some changes. Now, as the indicator of this tab layout, we have only a small line here. We can change it just like this. Tab indicator gravity. It can be either in the center, bottom, or top. Default is the bottom. So this line is in the bottom. If I write a stretch, it will cover the whole area. So it will be like that. Yeah, you see it? It's covering the whole area. So you can change the text color to color white maybe. And you can see it, or maybe to the color black. Yeah. And the next thing that we can mention here is like background color, just like any color that you want, or maybe let me choose this color, or maybe this color, and or something like here. Okay, and then change the color of the indicator. Okay, let's check it again. So mainly we have this color, and when you are selecting the tab, the color will be changed to this. So you can do anything you want. And that was everything about this video. If you are satisfied of this content, please give me a thumbs up to help this video be watched by more people. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel to give me energy to make more videos. Thank you for support. If you have any question, write down in the comment section below, and I will be so happy to answer to your questions. Bye bye.